Welcome students. Today we can study practice set 1.2 question number 1. Complete the following table. X plus example number 1, x plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 4. We can complete that activity. We have to give some coordinate of x and y. In first example, coordinate of x is 3 and coordinate of x comma y is 3 comma 0 given. That means coordinate of y is 0. First number is x coordinate, second number is y coordinate. In second row, coordinate of y is 5. We can find coordinate of x. So we can write the value of y is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 3 minus 5, that is x is equal to minus 2. So coordinate of x comma y minus 2 comma 5. Then coordinate of x is 0. Then coordinate of y is 3. 0 plus 3, that is 3. That is x comma y 0 comma 3. In second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Y coordinate is 0. Then x coordinate is 4. That is 4 comma 0. X coordinate is minus 1. We can write y coordinate is minus 5. Then x comma y minus 1 comma minus 5. X coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is minus 4. Then x comma y 0 comma minus 4. Practice set 1.2 question number 2. Solve following simultaneous equation by graphically. म्हणजे तुम्हाला याचा ग्राफ काढायचा आहे. दोन इक्वेशन सोडवायचे त्यांचा ग्राफ काढायचा. Two equations are question number 1. X plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. Here x plus y is equal to 6, that is equation number 1. X minus y is equal to 4, that is equation number 2. We can find 3 coordinate of x, 3 coordinate of y. Then we can draw the graph, and both the lines are meet at one point. This is the solution of that equation. दोन्ही समीकरणांचा आलेख काढायचा. दोन्ही समीकरणांचा एक सामायिक बिंदू भेटेल आणि तो दोन्ही समीकरणांचा रेषांचा जो सामायिक बिंदू असेल तो त्या समीकरणाची उकल असेल. आपल्या मनाप्रमाणे x चे कुठलेही 3 संख्या घेऊ शकता. x चे कुठलेही 3 संख्या घ्या म्हणजे y ची किंमत मिळेल, किंवा y चे कुठलेही 3 कोऑर्डिनेट लिहायचे तर x ची किंमत मिळेल. सो फ्रेंड्स, we can put first x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 6, that is 6, then y coordinate is 6, then 0 comma 6. We can put x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 1, that is 5 plus 1 is 6, then 5 comma 1. We can put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, coordinate of x comma y is 2 comma 4. In second equation, x minus y is equal to 4. We can write x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 4. X comma y 0 comma minus 4. Then we can write x is equal to 5. That is 5 minus 1 is 4. That is y is equal to 1. Coordinate of y is 1. 5 comma 1. X is equal to 1. Then y is equal to minus 3. That is 1 minus y is equal to 4. Then minus y is equal to 4 minus 1. That is 3. But sign of y is minus. Therefore y is equal to minus 3. 1 comma minus 3. Here we can listen 5 comma 1. In both the equation are common points. This is the solution of that equation. Example is given x plus y is equal to 5, x comma y is equal to 3. Both the equation are very easy. दोन संख्यांची बेरीज 5 पाहिजे, तर आपल्या मनाप्रमाणे आपण कुठल्याही संख्या घेऊ शकता. तर x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 1, that is 4 comma 1. We can interchange that value. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to 4. Coordinate of x comma y 1 comma 4. Then we can take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3. Coordinate of x comma y 2 comma 3. In second equation, we can put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 2, that is 1 comma minus 2. X is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, that is y is equal to 1, that is 4 comma 1. We can take x is equal to 5, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, therefore coordinate of y is 2, that is 5 comma 2. In that equation, 4 comma 1 are the common points. हा सामायिक बिंदू आहे, ही या समीकरणाची उकल आहे. दिस इज द सोल्युशन ऑफ दॅट इक्वेशन. Question number 2, we can take example number 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 3. We can solve that equation. We can put value of x, then we can find value of y. Then we can take x is equal to minus 1. Then y is equal to minus 5. That is 3 into minus 1 minus 3. That minus 3 from right hand side is plus. The 2 plus 3 is 5. Then y, sign of y is minus, therefore y is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 5. X is equal to 1. Then we can write y is equal to also 1. 1 comma 1. X is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 4. That is 2 comma 4. X is equal to, in second equation, we can take x is equal to 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Therefore, both the signs are minus is cancelled. Then y is equal to 1. That is 2 comma 1. X is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. That minus 2 in the right hand side is plus. That is 3 plus 2 5. But sign of y is minus. Then y is equal to minus 5. That is minus comma 1 minus 5. Then x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 5. 4 comma 5. In that equation, minus 1 comma minus 5. Minus 1 comma minus 5 are the solution of that equation. Both are the common points. The next part is very important, that is determinant. What is the meaning of determinant? Here we have to give 2 rows and 2 columns. There A comma B, here A comma B and C comma D are the rows. A comma C and B comma D are the columns. We can multiply cross, that is A into D. A into D minus B into C. A चा गुणाकार D शी करायचा आणि B चा गुणाकार C शी करायचा. आता ABCD ह्या काय आहेत, ह्या संख्या असतील. त्या संख्यांचा गुणाकार करून जे उत्तर मिळेल आपल्याला वजाबाकी करून ते म्हणजे डिटर्मिनंटची किंमत. मराठीमध्ये याला निश्चयक असं म्हणतात. तर A into D minus B into C is the value of determinant. Determinant are represented by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. We can solve one of the example to find the value of determinant. Here A is the determinant. 5, 3 and 7, 9. Then we can multiply 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7. That is 5 into 9, 45 minus 3 into 7, 21. 45 minus 21, A is equal to 24. This is the value of determinant. Then we can solve some example of determinant. We can solve practice set 1.3. Question number 1. Fill in the blank with correct number. That activity is asking for 2 marks in question number 2. Here determinant is given 3, 2, 4, 5. We can fill in that boxes. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. That is very easy. 3 into 5 multiplication, that is 15. Then 2 into 4 is 8 given. 15 minus 8, answer is 7. This is the complete that activity. Question number 2. Find the value of determinant. Example number 1. Minus 1, 7, 2, 4. Here we can find the value of determinant. We have to give notation D. D नाव द्यायचं, कॅपिटल लेटर्स मध्ये द्यायचं असतं. D is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. 7 into 2 14. This is minus 14. Minus 4 minus 14. We can sum. दोघांची बेरीज करा. 14 and 4, that is 18 म्हणजे 18, and you have to give sign minus, that is minus 18. Second example, 5, 3 minus 7, 0. 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7. 5 into 0 is 0. 3 into 7 is minus 21. But both are 2 minus sign, minus into minus is plus. Then 0 plus 21 is 21. Value of determinant is 21. 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. This is integer numbers. आता अपूर्णांक फ्रॅक्शन मध्ये आपल्याला दिलेले 7 into 3 into 1, 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Multiplication of numerator, 7 into 7, 7 into 1, 7, 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 3 is 15, and 3 into 2 is 6. Both denominator are the same. Then 7 minus 15 is minus 8 upon 6. We can divide by 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Answer is minus 4, 3. Then next, question number 3 is very important. That question asked in question paper for 3 marks. Solve Simon equation by Cramer's rule. That is, Cramer's is one of the mathematician scientist. 2 equation is given. We can solve by determinant method. Find the solution of x, y. First example, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. We have to give number 1 and number 2. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, equation number 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5, equation number 2. We can find the value of a1, b1, c1. General form of Simon equation, ax plus by is equal to c. Then a1, that is equation number 1. Coefficient of x, x चा सहगुणक. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 10, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to 5. Coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 3, and constant term is 5. That is a2 4, b2 3, c2 5. We can find the value of determinant. We can write a1 a2, b1 b2. 3 minus 4, 4, 3. Then we can give cross multiply. 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 4. 3 into 3 9, minus minus plus 16 plus 9, d is equal to 25. Then we can find value of dx. So at x coefficient we can write constant term 10 5, that is c1 c2, b1 b2. C1 C2 is 10 5, B1 B2 minus 4 3. Cross multiplied 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 into 3 is 30, minus plus 5 into 4 20, 30 plus 20, dx is equal to 50. Then we can find value of dy, coefficient of y. We can write coefficient of constant term, that is a1 a2 c1 c2. 3 4 10 5. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 into 5 15. 10 into 4 minus 40. Minus 40 plus 15, that is minus 25. We find value of dx, dy and d. Then by Cramer's rule we can find value of x. X is equal to dx upon d, that is 50 divided by 25. 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50. X is equal to 2. We can find value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d, minus 25 upon 25, that is y is equal to minus 1. And we can write solution x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Thank you.